ॐ खानिलाग्न्यब्धरित्र्यन्तं स्रक्खणीवोद्गतं यतः स्वान्तच्छिदे नमस्तस्मै हरये बुद्धिसाक्षिणे शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। स्थूल शरीरम अनात्मा अन्न कार्यत्वात् अन्नमयत्वात् विकारित्वात् दृश्यत्वात्. All these hetus are given to prove sthula sharira is anatma. But the dehatma buddhi does not go only with this kind of yukti. This yukti has to be substantiated with vairagya, and also buddhi, this aham bhava, dehe aham bhava is sitting in buddhi. In deha, aham bhava is there in buddhi. So buddhi has to be given enough work to pay attention to something else. Something else means not another anatma. Some other anatma doesn't help. That everybody does. Only Chaitanya Vichara has to be increased. So if that doesn't happen, Dehatma Bhava will remain. For that, Chaitanya or Atma Chintanam, more Shravanam, more Mananam is what is prescribed. So Sthula Sharira is Anatma, Yuktitaha it is Purva, Siddha. Now, see Tika for 21st. लोकायतिक व्यतिरिक्त सर्ववादिनां आत्मनः स्थूल देह व्यतिरेके विवाद अभावात् सर्वजन प्रसिद्धत्वाच्च न तत्प्रतिपादनाय अतीव आग्रहः क्रियत इत्याह. लोकायतिक व्यतिरिक्त, other than Charvak, everybody accepts that Atma is different from Sthula Sharira. Lokayatika Vyatirikta Sarvavadinam, for all the Vadis, Atmanaha Sthula Deha Vyatiriktatve. There is no Vivada, Vivada Abhavat. And it is Sarvajana Prasiddha. Sarvajana means Sarva Vaidika Jana Prasiddha at least. Other people also, other than Charvak, they all understand that I am not this Deha because everybody has seen some death. And the death is that that same body is cremated, buried, something. So everybody knows I am not this Deha. Therefore, na tat pratipadanaya ativa agraha kriyate. Therefore, 10 shlokas are enough for that. More shlokas are not needed. Ativa agraha na kriyate means more shlokas are not written on these things. Ityaha in Moolam. Prasiddhatvat prakaranartha upasamharaya aha. So because this is prasiddha, prakaranartha upasamhara is that. Sthulang yuktya nirasyaivam nabhaso nilatamiva deham sukshmam nirakurya dato yukti bhiratmanaha. Sthulang yuktya nirasyaivam nabhaso nilatamiva देहं सूक्ष्मं निराकुर्या दतो युक्तिभिरात्मनः एवं युक्त्या स्थूलं निरस्य अतो युक्तिभिः आत्मनः सूक्ष्मं देहं निराकुर्यात् नभसो नीलताम इव एवं इन दिस वे युक्त्या स्थूलम निरस्य स्थूल देह निरस्य निरस्य means having eliminated. So atmanah, you should understand, atmanah स्थूलम देहम निरस्य युक्तिभिः आत्मनः सूक्ष्मं देहम निराकुर्यात्. आत्मा इज स्थूल शरीर, आत्मनः स्थूल देहत्वम, that निराकरण is done. आत्मा इज स्थूल शरीर, आत्मनः सूक्ष्मं देहम निराकुर्यात्. आत्मा है सूक्ष्म शरीर और आत्मा इज सूक्ष्म शरीर, that through yukti nirakuryat, it should be eliminated vidili. How nabhaso nilatamiva, like in the akasha, the blueness which is seen, which is experienced, is bhranti. Like that, I am sukshma sharira or I have sukshma sharira is a bhranti. So this nirakaranam should be done. There is no tika on that part. Further, katham deham sukshmam nirakuryat. How sukshma deha is not atma. So how sukshma deha anatmatva siddhi we have to do, or how atmanaha sukshma dehatvam nirakuryat. That atma does not have sukshma sharira. Atma is not sukshma sharira. Sukshma sharira means you take mind or ahankara. Because that is what I understand as myself. Those who are, okay, just keep it this way, mind or ahankara. How will you do? Uchyate. Aham mamatvayatnecha natma dharma krishatvavat karmatvenopalavyattva tapayitva cha vastravat. Aham mamatvayatnecha natma dharma krishatvavat कर्मत्वेनोपलभ्यत्वा तपायित्वा च वस्त्रवत्. अहम ममत्व yatna ichha, all of them are anatma dharmaha. So anumanam is there in the shloka itself. Aham mamatva yatnecha anatma dharmaha. Why? Hetu is given. Karmatvena upalabhyatvat krishatvavat apayitvacha vastravat. Shloka is only anumana. So at least if you have this much idea from Tarka Sangraha, what is pratignya, what is paksha, what is sadhya, what is hetu, what is drishtanta, and whether this anumanam is correct or incorrect. What is vyapti, if there is a vyavichara in vyapti, the basics, if you know, then these things you will understand or appreciate more. aham mamatva, aham means ahankara, mamatva mindness, yatna ichha, all of them are anatma dharma, na atma dharma. Like krishatva means the skinniness, the leanness. So if somebody says I am very lean, so the question is, it is a dharma of sthula sharira or is it dharma of atma? So if it is dharma of sthula sharira, in the same way sukshma sharira dharmas are aham mamatva yatna ichha. So these dharmas belong to dharmi who is different from atma. Like krishatva, they all are karmatvena upalabhya. Karma means vishayatvena. They are known as an object. Ichha is known or not known?
known,
No.
Ghata is known or not known?
No.
known,
No.
Atma is known or not known?
known,
No.
known but not as object.
known prakyatvena.
Good. So it is known, but it is not known as Vishaya, not as an object. It is known only as Atma. So aham mamatva yatna ichha, they all are known like krishatva, leanness, fatness, etc. So they are sukshma is the sharira dharma, and they are apai. These dharmas are apai, means they come and go. At some point, I have aham bhava in my childhood. So aham balaha. Then same person after some time will say aham yuva or aham kishoraha, then aham yuva. So that aham is changing. Balyadishvapi, jagradadishu tatha, sarvasvavasthasvapi, they all come and go. So they have apaitva. Similarly, mamatva changes more frequently. This is mine. No, this is not mine. I don't want. Yatna, they also come and go. Somewhere we put forth effort, somewhere we don't. Ichha, they all are anatma dharma. Vastravat, like vastra, like a cloth. So vastra, you can pick it up and put it aside. Like that, aham, mamatva, yatna, ichha, all of them, you can leave them aside and you can exist away from them. Therefore, they are anatma dharma. They are not your dharma. Vastra can be left and you can exist without them. Tika. Ahankara, mamakara, buddhi, sukha, dukha, ichha, dvesha, prayatnadayo, वस्तुतो न आत्मनो धर्म भवितुम अर्हन्ति इत्यर्थः. अहंकार, ममकार, बुद्धि, सुख, दुख, इच्छा, द्वेष, यत्नादयः, all of them are वस्तुतः न आत्मनो धर्म भवितुम अर्हन्ति इत्यर्थः. तत्र हेतुः, what is the हेतु? कर्मत्वेन उपलभ्यत्वात् इति. So you know what is hetu. Hetu is that which will do sadhya siddhi. Hetu is the linga. Karmatvena upalabhyatvat. So what is the vyapti now?
यत्र यत्र कर्मत्वेन उपलब्ध्वात् तत्र तत्र अनात्मधर्म.
Tvam. Yatra yatra karmatvena upalabhyatvam tatra tatra anatma dharma. Tvam. That which is karmatvena upalabhya, so it will have karmatvena upalabhyatvam. Like Ghata will have Ghatatvam. So yad yad karmatvena upalabhyam means yatra yatra karmatvena upalabhyatvam tatra tatra anatma dharmatvam. All of that is karmatvena means in Vyakaran terms it is karma. It is karma is not action here. Karmatvena means it is not karta, but it is karma. It is not karana. It is not sampradana. It is not apadana. It is not sambandha. It is not adhikarana. It is karma. Dvitiya vibhakti. So it is available as an object. So therefore it is anatmadharma. Upalabhyatvad iti ukte pratyagatmano api asmat pratyaya gocharataya upalabhyamanatvam asti. Now he says, you said upalabhyatvad. Just like Ghata is upalabhya, Ichha is upalabhya, Atma is also upalabhya. That's why I asked you the question before itself. Upalabhyatvad, if you give this as the hetu, Pratyagatma is also upalabhya. Pratyagatmano api upalabhyatvad. How it is upalabhya? Asmat pratyaya gocharataya. This is given in Adhyasa Bhashya by Bhagavan Bhashyakar himself. Asmat pratyaya gocharatvad. Aparokshatvad cha. So it is asmat pratyaya gochara. Gocharataya. Upalabhyamanatvam asti. Upalabhyamanatvam kasya asti? Kasya asti?
Atmana.
Atmana.
Pratyagatmanah asti. Tad vyavartanaya vishinashti karmatvena. Not only upalabhyamanatvam, but visheshana is given. Vishinashti means that visheshana is given. Karmatvena upalabhyamanatvam. Ahankaradayo na atmadharma anumanam drishyatvat karshyadivat. Ahankaradi, they are not atmadharma because they are drishya, like karshya. Saiva pratignyapayitvad vastradivat iti prayogaha. What does this mean?
In the same way, the other anumanam is yatra yatra apayitvam tatra tatra anatma dharmatvam. Like vastravat.
Yatra yatra apayitvam.
Tatra tatra anatma dharmatvam vastravat.
But what is that line saying? Saiva pratignyapayitvad means what?
In the same way, a pratignya for apayitvam. So,
What is the pratignya?
pratignya is as before, that is
Ehaha.
aham mamatva yatna ichya anatma dharmaha.
Yes. So here what is given in the previous ahankaradayo na atma dharma drishyatvat karshadivat. Then saiva pratignya. Ahankaradayo na atma dharma. So instead of drishyatvat, you say apayitvat. Instead of karshadivat, you say vastradivat. Iti prayogaha. So anumanam is called prayogaha also. This kind of panchavayava anumanam, what Naiyayikas use, is also called prayogaha. Evam ichhadinam anatma dharmatva pratipadanena tad dharmavato antakaranasya sukshma dehasya anatmatvam sadhitam iti drashtavya. So ichhadinam anatma dharmatva pratipadanena. When ichhadi, they are understood as anatma dharma. Ichhadinam anatma dharmatvam. So ichhadi are dharmi or dharma?
Dharma.
Who is the dharmi?
Anatma.
Ahankara.
Ahankar.
Antakarana.
Antakarana. Given there, tad dharmavato antakaranasya. Antakarana is tad dharmavan, dharmi. So if ichhadi are anatma, tad dharmavan antakarana is anatma. Antakaranasya sukshma dehasya anatmatvam sadhitam iti drashtavya. In this way you should understand. Vipakshe badhakam aha. Now, Vipaksha is not going to agree. So, Vipaksha's tarka will be, let Ichhadi be Anatma Dharma. But Antakarana or Ahankara is Atma. So, Vipaksha badhaka tarka you will have to give. Siddhanti will have to give Vipaksha badhaka tarka. That's why Tikakar says Vipakshe badhakam aha. Vaidharmya drashtanta. Drashtanta. Noshnimanam dahatyagnihi Swarupatvad jwalan Tathaivatmatmano vidya Daham naiva visheshatah. Noshnimananda hatyagnihi Swarupatvad jwalan Tathaivatmatmano vidya Daham naiva visheshatah. Agnihi ushnimanam na dahati Swarupatvat yatha jwalan anumanam. Agnihi ushnimanam na dahati. Agnihi is the paksha. Ushnimanam na dahati is the sadhya. Swarupatvat is the hetu. Jwalan is the drashta. Yatha jwalan means jwalanavat. Agni does not burn the heat. Ushniman pratipadika. Prathama ekvachan will be Ushnima, Ushnimanau, Ushnimanah, Ushnimanam, Dvitiya ekvachan. Like Mahiman, Pratipadika, Mahiman will become Mahima, Mahimanau, Mahimanah, Mahimanam in this way. Tathaiva Atma, Atmano Vidyat Aham Naiva Avisheshatah. So Tathaiva Aham Naiva Atma Atmanah. Atmanah Aham, okay. Tathaiva Atmanah Aham Naiva Atma Vidyat. Hetu Avisheshata. So Anvaya you do it like this. Tathaiva Atmanah Aham Atma Na Vidyat. Avisheshata. So in the same way, the Aham of one's own self is not Atma. Why? It is not different from Ushnima or Agni. Ushnima or Jwalan is not different from fire. Therefore, Agni cannot burn Ushnima. In the same way, Atmanaha Aham is not different. See in Tika. Ahankaradehe Atmadharmatve. Ahankaradehe Atmadharmatve Swarupatve Drishyatva Asambhavopi Syat. If Ahankara was Atmadharma, then Drishyatva would not be possible in Ahankara. But Ahankara Drishyatva is there. Iti atra loka prasiddha drashtanto avidiyate ityaha noshnimanam. Yatha jwalan api agnihi swarupa bhutam dharma bhutam cha ushnimanam na dahati. Agni, even though burning, it does not burn the heat of the fire. Swarupa bhutam dharma bhutam cha. That which is its swarupa and that which is also its dharma, it does not burn. Na vishayi karoti. Why swarupatvat dharmatvat? Because it is swarupa and it is its dharma. Tadvad atma api atmanah swarupa bhutam dharma bhutam va aham ahankaradikam na vidyat. Swarupatva avisheshat. dharmatva avisheshadva ityartha. If so, this is what how the tarka happens. If ahankaradi was swarupa of Atma, then Atma would not know ahankara as Vishaya. But ahankara is known as Vishaya. Therefore, ahankara is not dharma of Atma. So, I hope the tika is clear. See, from yatha jwalan api agnihi swarupa bhutam dharma bhutam cha ushnimanam na dahati, na vishayi karoti. Because it is its swarupatvat, dharmatvad. This is explained slightly differently in the other tika. So you have to understand this way. Tathaiva, the second line of the shloka is Tathaiva Atmanaha aham naiva vidyat. If aham was the dharma of Atma, then Atma would not have known it. But Atma knows aham. Aham means ahankara. Therefore, ahankara is not dharma of Atma. Tadvad Atma api Atmanaha swarupa bhutam dharma bhutam va aham ahankaradikam na vidyat. Atma would not have known ahankaradikam if ahankara was dharma of Atma. But ahankara is not dharma of Atma because ahankara becomes known as drishya. So therefore, it is not any different. Now, there is a Purvapaksha. Bhattamatam. Kumarila Bhatta. What do Bhatta say? See, they say we have this experience. You are saying whatever is drishya is not the dharma of, or is not the nature of Atma, is not the swarupa of Atma. So, Ichha, Yatna, Dharma, Adharma, Sukha, Dukha, they all are Antakarana Dharma. We don't have problem. But Ahankara, because in Bhatta Mata, Atma and Ahankara, they also understand like how anyone understand that they are one. They don't say there is adhyasa between them, but it is understood that there is adhyasa. In Vedanta, it is clearly explained between Atma and Ahankara, there is adhyasa. So they say, this one experience that we have, what is the experience? Mam aham janami. Mam aham janami. I know myself. So in this experience, Atma is there and Ahankara is there. Mam aham janami. I am the knower. What is the subject in this Vakya?
This Atma. Mom.
Atma. What is the object in this Vakya? Ahankara. I know Ahankara. But we don't say, I the Atma know Ahankara. We say, I know myself. So, I know myself means I am the knower and I am the known. Because ultimately it is the Ahankara who knows. Remember, Atma is only illuminator. I know myself. So, Mam Aham Janami. This is a famous in Kumarila Bhatta tradition. So, Atma is Karta and Atma is Karma. What you are saying, what is Karma, cannot be known. Means what is Atma Dharma cannot be known as Karma, as Drishya. But here that is not the case. So, Idanim, see tika, Bhattamatam Ashanke Nirakaroti. What is Bhattamatam? So here they have not given that Vakya, Mam Aham Janami, but another tika has given that. Your English book also should have. See in Tika, in Moolam. Ekasya Atmanah कर्म कर्तृभावः सर्वथा नोपपद्यत इति श्रुत्वा मीमांसकः प्रत्यवतिष्ठते. एकस्य आत्मनः कर्म कर्तृभाव सर्वथा न उपपद्यते. Who will say this?
Bhattam.
इति श्रुत्वा मीमांसकः प्रत्यवतिष्ठते. सिद्धांति, हाँ. Advaiti will say one Atma cannot have karma kartru bhava, both. One Atma cannot be karta also and karma also. Karma kartru bhava sarvatha na upapatya. Sarvatha means never ever. This is possible. Iti shrutva, Mīmānsaka immediately gets up. Pratyavatishtate means pratikulena avatishtate. He stands as opponent. What does he say? Aham pratyaya grahyatvat grahaka atma iti. This is what he will say. Aham pratyaya grahyatvat grahaka is atma. Atma is grahaka. Aham pratyaya is grahya. So tan nivritti artham. To do the nivritti of this kind of opponent's view, aha, siddhanti aha. Let's see this shloka. Yat karma ko hi yo bhavo nasau tat kartru ko yatah ghata pratyayavat tasman naham syad drashtu karmakah. Yat karma ko hi yo bhavo nasau tat kartru ko yatah घट प्रत्ययवत् तस्मान् नाहं स्यात् द्रष्टृकर्मकः. यतः since यत् कर्म को हि यो भावो न असौ तत्कर्तृको घट प्रत्ययवत्. इस दृष्टांत. तस्मात् अहम न द्रष्टृकर्मकः स्यात्. Therefore aham na drashtu karmakah syat. So yat karma ko hi yo bhavo. Bhava means pratyaya. Here bhava also means pratyaya. Like in drishtanta they have given ghata pratyaya. So yat karma ko hi yo bhavo. Yat karmakah yo bhava. So in a pratyaya, if something is a karma, na asau tatkartrika, then it will not be a karta. Where did you see this? In Ghata. So Purvapakshi said, Mam aham janami. Siddhanti says, if you know something in this way, exactly this is the case in aham ghatam janami. So if Ghata is karma, Ghata is not the karta. This in another tika, it is given like this. Mam aham janami iti atmano aham pratyam prati kartrutva karmatva yor anubhavat tat karmatva nirakarana anumanam kalatyaya padishtam iti shankate. What is kalatyaya padishtam? Kiranavali students will answer. What is kalatyaya padishtam? Kalatyaya padishtam means baditam. Bad. So this kind of anumanam is baditam. Purvapakshi's idea that in mam aham janami, karta and karma are the same. Kartrutva karmatva yoho anubhavat. Both are aham pratyaya only. Siddhanti says, aham ghatam janami. In that ghata is drishya. That drishya karma will never become karta, where aham will become karma. So this anumanam of yours is kalatyaya padishtam. Antakarana is drishya for pratyagatma. So this aham pratyaya is also available only as drishya. If it is drishya, it is karma. Then it will never be available as drashta. And if it is drashta dharma, it is not available as drishya. So this is elaborated further. Let's complete the टीका. अहम प्रत्यय आत्मकर्म को न भवति. आत्मकर्तृकत्वात् घट प्रत्ययवत् इति अनुमानम आह यत् कर्मक इति. अहम प्रत्यय आत्मकर्मकः न भवति आत्मकर्तृकत्वात्. So the aham pratyaya is atmakartruko na bhavati. It is not the atmakartrukah. Atmakarma ko na bhavati atmakartrukatvat. It is not the atmakarma because it is atmakartruka. In other words, if ghata jnana is ghata vishayaka, then it is not ghata ashrita. So if aham jnana is aham vishayaka, then it is not aham ashrita. Aham, if you take as ahankara, ahankara jnana is aham vishayaka, ahankar vishayaka, then it will not be in ahankara. Means ahankara will not know ahankara. Ahankara will have to be known through something other than that. Here the word atma and aham, it depends upon how Bhatta Mata understands. Okay. But here we will conclude. We'll see more in the next session. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Krutau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bhed Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.